Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you inside the condensed milk factory, a complete step-by-step process from raw milk
The new rotary system is much more efficient.
Agreed. The data looks good so far this morning.
The pressure looks steady on line 3.
Good. The tanker should be full within the hour.
Manifest and hygiene certificate, please.
All clear on the rapid test.
All right, proceed to Bay 3.
Check the inbound temperature on the printout.
It matches the gauge reading exactly, 72 degrees.
The weigh bridges precisely measure the incoming milk, while automated probes ensure optimal temperature and quality.
The fat content on this batch is slightly elevated.
Yes, but the protein levels look excellent according to the analyzer.
Sample 3C is showing elevated counts.
Rerouting it for further incubation immediately.
Pressure looks stable at 15 psi.
Good. Maintain the flow rate through the microfilters.
The indicator on line 4 is still blinking.
It's within tolerance, but we'll monitor the steam jacket pressure.
Temperature is holding steady at 72 Celsius.
Green across the board. Integrity scan is clear.
The temperature in vessel 3 is stabilizing right on schedule.
Good. The automated sequence initiated the steam valve perfectly.
Temperature on vessel 3 is stabilizing right on target.
Acknowledged. The steam release cycle is complete.
Check the pressure on the third effect evaporator.
Adjusting the flow rate now. It's stabilizing.
In this vacuum pressurized chamber, the evaporators rapidly remove moisture by lowering the boiling. Here we see the milk bubbling gently. The vacuum process is highly controlled, with technicians monitoring the robust. rate remains steady.
Clarity is exceptional. We are cleared for transfer.
The clarity on column 3 looks exceptional now.
Agreed. I'm logging the final specifications.
The flow rate looks optimal now. Check the viscosity reading here.
Yes, perfectly within tolerance. We are ready for the next phase.
Viscosity is holding steady at 5,000 CP.
Optimal. The blend looks smooth and consistent.
The shear rate is holding steady right at the target.
Good. The stabilizing agent dispersion looks uniform.
The sensor readings are fluctuating slightly right here.
That's within the acceptable margin, but we should monitor it closely.
Maintaining precise cooling gradients is crucial here. Sensors monitor the process continuously, ensuring the perfect consistency of the condensed milk.
Check the temperature on the third tank. It seems slightly elevated.
It's within the acceptable range, but we should monitor the next sample closely.
Intensity levels are optimal across the board.
Acknowledged. We are clear for collection. Pressure levels are stable across the board.
Excellent, excellent. The vacuum seal is holding perfectly.
The mist density is critical here for the rapid cooling phase.
Right, ensures sterilization integrity.
The humidity levels are stable at 15%.
Good. Keep monitoring the flow rate on the next screen.
The throughput on grid 4. It's below target, and I'll recalibrate the sensor.
The pressure is holding steady at 1.5 bar.
Good.
The viscosity sample should confirm the concentration.
flow rate is holding steady at 200 liters per hour.
The viscosity looks perfect.
The viscosity is increasing right on schedule.
Yes, the injection rate seems perfectly calibrated.
The sweetened condensed milk enters high-pressure homogenizers that break down remaining fat globules, giving the product its smooth, creamy texture.
The temperature is holding steady at 25 degrees Celsius.
Cooling rate confirmed. No crystallization detected.
We're holding steady at 55 degrees.
Uniform cooling confirmed.
Final temp, 25 Celsius. Looks good.
We have an anomaly on line 3.
The system diverted it automatically. Clear the batch.
An automated arm places a sterile foil seal onto every filled can. A heat press rolls over the top,